Hello people, I'm making slime. Chocolate bread for you. You forgot to wash your hands. Okay. I forgot to cut it.
Oh.
Just a little bit, okay? I can make a dinosaur. Roar. I have a secret. It's an apple.
Apple starts with up.
Ah. Hey, get some apple pie. Put some sprinkles. All done. Like and subscribe. Subscribe. Click.